Italian Pane Bianco is a soft white bread full of flavor and filled with sun-dried tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and garlic. This bread is beautifully shaped and very easy to make. Enjoy! Pour 160 grams or 2/3 of a cup of milk in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 30 grams or 2 1/4 tablespoons of olive oil, 50 grams or 1 large egg. Add 70 grams or 1/4 cup of sourdough starter. Mix all the ingredients with a silicone spatula. And add 350 grams or 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 7 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients with the dough hook until the dough is soft and elastic and it doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl for about 20 minutes. Get the dough out of the bowl and make a ball. Place the dough in a grease-proofing container. Cover with a plastic wrap or a plastic lid and let it rest in a warm place for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, your dough should have doubled in size. So, take it out of the bowl and place it on a pastry mat or your working table. Stretch the dough one last time and make a ball. Sprinkle flour on top and use the rolling pin to stretch the dough into a 20 by 12 inches rectangle or 50 by 30 centimeters. Add 4 pressed garlic cloves and distribute them well with your hands on all the surface of the dough. Add mozzarella cheese or any other melting cheese and distribute it equally on all the surface of the dough. Add some fresh chopped basil leaves. Finally, add some chopped dehydrated tomatoes. Use your thumbs to start rolling the dough very tight until you have a long roll of dough. Then, take some scissors to cut the dough in the middle of the dough. Make sure to not cut the edges of the dough, but cut well to expose all the layers of dough. Transfer the dough to a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Shape the dough in an S shape. Tuck the edges of the dough under the dough to form a number 8 shape. Cover the dough with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 2 hours. Place the dough in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until it is golden brown. As soon as you remove the bread from the oven, place it on a cooling rack and let the bread cool off for at least 30 minutes. This bread is super soft and full of flavor. It goes well with any pasta. I love to eat it with my favorite pastas at home. I hope you can try it. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week.